Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum guys. Welcome in K.Z Kitchen. In K.Z Kitchen, today we are going to make stew, but that would be a totally different stew which we make in our daily routine. That is a Chinese stew. Inshallah Ta'ala, you will definitely like it. For this, I have taken 1 kg or more than 1 kg beef. It's little bit fatty. For this recipe, you can use beef with bones. That would be a healthiest point of making this beef stew in Chinese style. Okay, now that is done. I made its medium size of pieces. Here I have boiled some water, it's maximum 1 liter. Now I am dropping my beef pieces in it and I am gonna just add little bit salt in this water. After 2-3 minutes, I will discard its impurities from the surface of its broth. So that could be a clear broth. If we will not discard these impurities, otherwise our taste of this stew would be spoiled. Okay, after discarding the impurities, I will cover the lid and leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I am gonna add here 1/4 cup ginger slices. You can cut it in julienne. Also, I'm adding 3 cloves, 1 anise flower and 1 cinnamon stick. Add and mix. Now cover the lid and after 5 minutes, I'm gonna add some cubed onions in it. Okay, now I'm adding my onion. You can chop it, but I'll prefer in cubes. It's about 2 cups. Mix these well and leave these about 4 to 5 minutes. Now beef is not completely cooked. Let's add some water in it. If you notice the water is decreasing, so you can add little by little water in it. Also I am adding 1 dry red chilli, 1 teaspoon brown sugar here and mix. Now cover the lid and meanwhile we will burn our tomatoes on the stove so we could peel their skins. Okay, you can steam these also, but I'll prefer burning. Okay, you can see its skin is getting tear. Now it's ready. Let's peel it. Now we can easily remove its skin and its taste would be increased. Okay, I will done my all tomatoes. I have taken total 6 tomatoes of medium size. Okay, these are done. Let's cut these. I'm gonna cut these in cubes or you can chop these in small pieces. Okay, now these are cutting easily. Today we are making Chinese beef stew. That is totally different from our regular stew which we make in our daily routines. You can serve this stew with plain rice or also you can serve it with plain bread. Today I'm gonna serve it with both of these things. Now our cutting is gonna almost done. Now our cutting is completed. Let's start the preparation for its crackling or baghar. Here our beef is mashallah almost done. It's completely tender. You can see, and its broth is almost dried, and the onions are completely cooked or minced. Let's stir it continuously 4 to 7 minutes. Start the preparation for its crackling. I have taken half cup oil, 3 to 4 dried red chilies, anise flower, cloves and cinnamon stick. Crackle these. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup cubed white onion. I have added. Let's fry these. I will fry these little bit because we don't have to brown these onions. Okay, keep frying. Okay, now you can check the color of this onion. In this stage, I'm gonna add my peeled or cubed tomatoes here. Let's add. Now I will cook these until becoming a thick puree if you want. So after peeling these tomatoes, you can grind these in grinder or juicer. So your work would be easy. Okay, let's add our further ingredients and complete our gravy. Here I am using pink salt, brown sugar, black peppers, soya sauce, and also white vinegar. Don't forget, guys, we are making Chinese style beef stew. Inshallah Ta'ala, you will like this recipe also, and definitely you are gonna try this. It's totally different and very tasty and healthy recipe. Okay, now I'm cooking these all of ingredients with onion and tomatoes. Okay, let's check out our beef here. Now, mashallah, it's completely cooked and its gravy has been thickened. Let's transfer our puree or gravy in this. Let's transfer. I have added all of this puree in it and keep cooking and turn the flame high about 2-3 minutes, and then that would be completely ready. Now I will turn the flame off and cover the lid, leave it for some rest. Here I am getting preparation for serving. Mashallah, there you go, friends. Our beef stew in Chinese style is ready and looking very delicious and pretty. Okay, viewers, I've shared another delicious, fabulous, marvelous Chinese beef stew recipe. So if you liked, so like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now it's time to say Allah Hafiz. But before saying Allah Hafiz, I will try my recipe and you are gonna enjoy my recipe. How is delicious it is. There you go, friends. You can see the color and also you can check the thickness of this beef stew in Chinese style, and our beef is totally tender. First, I'm getting try with rice, plain rice. You can try it with bread also. I have served these with my recipe. Okay, mashallah, it's too much tasty. Okay, viewers, see you soon. Keep watching and keep in touch. Now, Allah Hafiz.